Hi, we're back, and I'm Gina still, which is great, right? No, anyway, we're doing our tips and tricks, right? So our tip today is a really fun one. It is berry season, everybody, and I'm sure you're all familiar with this little container that you get at the grocery store. Well, are you familiar with the fact that sometimes you might not be using the right berry that's in there or is ripe? So I want to just kind of go through this, and it's a quick little tutorial. These berries, and they may all look the same to you, are not quite the same, right? This one's a little bit mushy. This one is a little bit dark. This one's still a little bit light, but then it's dark on the side. And by I mean light, I mean the seeds, right? When you're making a cocktail, these pretty ones are great for garnish. Let's put them over here. But it's these mushy ones, these gushy ones, the ones where the seeds turn black, that are the ones you want to use because they are so sweet and delicious and ready to go. So here's your tip. If the seeds are really yellow, keep them for a garnish. If the seeds are turning black and dark, you use them in the drink.